So, that is my Sisi picture when she's in grade 6 or grade 7, I think. And then, this is my favorite ball pen. Ginagamit ko yan kanina kasi nag-script ako ng sasabihin ko. Because I'm not memorizing. This is my scissor. It's so useful. And then, this, I'm gonna squish na naman. And this is na naman yung realistic na ginawa ko. Okay, yan. Ang favorite ko. So, squish ko muna siya. So, ayan. So, may makikita kayo dyang paper na may black mark dyan. Yan yung daily kong gagawin sa Sunday and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Hindi! Sunday and Sabado and Linggo lang. And ina-organize ko na kung saan ko ipupunta yan. So, I will arrange into heavy, bigger, medium, and then small. Yung mga, depende sa laman nila. And then, so, I finally organize it. And then, this, what I made, gamit ang, I forgot what I used. And then,